Oh, I didn't see you there. I was about to do my 15-minute row workout, but since you're here, come and join me. But before we begin, let's go over some quick form cues. We don't want any of this. We don't want any of this. We want chest up, core tight. We want to squeeze our shoulder blades together. Get full range of motion. Full range of motion. If you want a quick breakdown, check out my tutorial video. You guys ready? Let's go. Remember, Rose fights off that desk posture, that iPad hunch, keeps you strong for all the dad stuff life throws at you. If you have no bands, no rings, no excuses, a sturdy table works. Outdoors, a rail works perfectly. Another light, very convenient equipment you could use are these bands for band rolls.
Wale koda kudus nganga ay kauda kauda asuti kauda ngana. Aba washi mama ay nganga tai watistinga. Yomini mugen bataring aye ide wanda mugen farang. Fakir bahali ofarang nada waga fakir wajana. Yeah, mama.
Rings are still my favorite because you can easily adjust the difficulty. Step forward to make it harder, step back to make it easier. And that's it. 15 minutes, one move, no excuses. Rows are simple, but they're one of the best exercises you can do to build strength and fix your posture. If you're following me on this 5-day workout plan, tomorrow we're hitting face pulls for our shoulders. Introverted Fitness Dad, function over fashion, busy dad strength. See you tomorrow.